Okay, welcome to another session in this series. In the previous session, we ended on question number 18. Okay, so here we start with question number 19. Okay, cool. The question says calculate the value of x in this diagram. So let's go to the diagram and then we see what is in there. So we have 2x here, 3x, and 4x. But when you look at this side, we can see vertically opposite angles. So this guy and this angle are vertically opposite, so they are the same, right? Similarly, at this side you have this angle and this angle are opposite, so what, they are the same. So that means this side is 2x, and then this side is what, 3x. Okay, cool. Now we know that the sum of our angles in a triangle add up to what, 180. Okay, 180. So we need to just add 2x plus 3x and 4x to get what, 180. So that's what we do. 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180. So 9x equals 180. We divide both sides by 9. Then we cancel out. X will give us what? We cancel out. Okay, so x gives us 20. Okay, so answer is B. Cool. Let's move on to question number 20. In the diagram, PQ, which is this line, is parallel to RS. So these two lines are parallel, they will never meet until infinity. They will never even meet at infinity. Okay, find the value of Z. We want to find this value. Very simple to do actually. So what we do is, let's try to draw another parallel line through Z. Okay, cool. Now this line is parallel to this. We are assuming that, okay, it's a parallel to all of this. So all these lines are parallel to each other. Okay, cool. So now when we look at this line and then this line, we can get what, alternate angles. Okay, so this form a Z. So this angle in the armpits, the angles in the armpits will be equal. Okay, so this is alternate angle to this one. So this part is what, 41, because alternate angles are the same. Okay, so let me put aside this side to be 41. Similarly, when we go up, we can find alternate angles. Okay, so this angle will be equal to this angle here. This part here will be equal to this angle because we form alternate angles. Okay, cool. So now how do you find this part? This is an angle on a straight line. That angles on a straight line are supplementary. Okay, that means they add up to 180. So that means this angle over here plus this angle 136 should give us what, 180. Okay, so let's call that angle, let's label it X. So 136 plus X should give us what, 180. Okay, so X is equal to 180 minus 136. Cool. All right, now we find X to be 44. Okay, 44. Now that we know the value of X, that means we can find this side also. We can find this angle also, because this is alternate. That means this X is the same as this angle over here. Okay, so that angle will also be what, 44. So now we can find our Z, because Z will be a sum of this side and also this side. Okay, so Z is equal to 44 plus 41, which is what, 85. Okay, 85. So our answer is B. Cool. Let's move on to question number 21. The question says, in the figure, QRS is an equilateral triangle. So QRS, this triangle, is equilateral. What that means is they have the same side. The length of each side is the same. And if the length of each side is the same, then the interior angles also be what? The same. Okay, the interior angles will also be the same. So this angle, and this angle are what? The same. And how do we get that? So if the angles are the same, we know that the sum of the angles in a triangle are what? Sum up to 180. So when you divide that's 180 into 3, you get what? 6. So in an equilateral triangle, each of the angles is 60 degrees. Okay, 60 degrees. Cool. So what that means is this whole angle here is what? 60 degrees. Cool. Now let's move on. Now we are told QRT, this triangle is an isosceles triangle. What that means is only two of the sides are equal. So if two sides are equal, that means two angles will also be what? Equal. So it means that this angle here and then this 47 are the same. Okay, so let's label that also. This small angle is what? 47. Okay, now the remaining angle, which is y here, you should see that this angle here and then this one here, they add up to what? The whole thing, which is 67. But we only know this side. So the way to find this side, which is y, is to subtract this side from the whole thing. Okay, so that will be 60 minus 47. That will give us what? 13. And that is our answer, which is A. Okay, 13 degrees is our answer. Okay, let's move on to question number 22. It says, find the interior angle of a 12-sided regular polygon. What is the formula for finding the interior angle? This is the formula. N minus 2 over N, where N is the number of sides. Okay, so now since we are told to find the interior angle of a 12-sided regular polygon, we know that our n is equal to what? 12. N equals 12, so we can substitute. Then we have 180 12 minus 2 all over 12. So we have 180 multiplying 10 over 12. Okay, so what would our answer be? Would have 150. Okay, 150 is our answer. Cool, which is C. All right, I think we'll have to stop here for now. Thank you so much for watching this session. In the next session, we'll move on to question number 23. Question number 23. Thank you so much for watching again. See you again next time. Bye.